Hi everyone, I'm Ed Tapper, coming back to you again from Mr. C's Auto Mart with this newly arrived 2017 Jeep Cherokee Sport. So this is a 4-cylinder, so this gets gas mileage in the mid-30s on the highway. And it's a sport 4-cylinder front-wheel drive. So it has the chrome Jeep 7-slit grille. We have black custom steel wheel overlays. Runs great, no mechanical problems, 128,000 miles. It's newly arrived again, and this truck is in great shape. I'm just going through the back compartment here, so you can fold the seats down flat, as you see, to extend your cargo space. The seats are premium cloth with silver seams, and they're two-tone. There's rear heat and air vents, and there's a center armrest in the back seat. There are manual seats with height adjustment, power windows, doors, locks. 100 and whoa, I lost it there a second. It's got 128,000 miles. Needs gas, but there you go. Audio controls, cruise and trip functions, vehicle settings on the steering column. It's got Bluetooth. It's got a compass. And it's got ports for the USB, SD card, an auxiliary, and a plug-in port. Automatic climate control. More ports. Automatic transmission. It's an extremely nice truck. It's a 17. The book value is very high, like 16 or 17,000. Of course, our price is going to be considerably less because we try to price cars fairly. So this one should be around $12,900. We will be posting it later today at MrC'sAutomart.com, or you can call me directly at 708-473-2014. Thanks.